Saudara Mizanul Abrar bin Abu Birodil Talib, saya nikahkan Siti Mahfira anak kandung saya untukmu dengan mahar 16 maya emas tunai.
Saya terima nikah Siti Mahfirah anak kandung ayah untuk saya dengan mahar 16 maya emas tunai.
Baby, I know that you've been wondering. Oh, so here goes nothing. In case you didn't know, baby, I'm crazy about you. And I would be lying if I said that I could live this life without you. Even though I don't tell you all the time, you had my heart a long, long time ago. In case you didn't know,